Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is my Manny and Me April subscription box from Maniology. This is a monthly subscription box. You get 2 exclusive plates, 2 stamping polishes, and a surprise gift. I will leave a link in my description box if you're interested in checking it out. Now to the unboxing. So I've already opened the box, and in the box you get 2 cards. The theme for this month is Fairy Kingdom, and this just tells you a little description of the polishes. And then the second card is the manicure for the month using this box, which is called Blooming Bee. And then the first polish I see is this one, and it's called Fairy Tale. And this one is a light fuchsia with a sparkle of shimmer. And then the next stamping polish I see is this one, and it's called Morning Mist. And this one is a deep periwinkle blue, and it has a soft silver metallic finish. And then the next thing I see is a sticker, Choose to Shine. So then we go to the stamping plates. The first stamping plate I see is this one. Oh, I like this one, it's very pretty. And this one is manixmeunboxing. And then the next stamping plate is also this one, and it's manixmeunboxing. And I'll show you a closer image of these stamping plates. And it looks like the surprise gift is going to be these nail art stickers, and they're butterflies. Oh, I love that. That is so cute. Let me see if I can get it out. Ooh, it's really stuck in there. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I really love that. I love stickers. All right, so that's everything I got in this month's box. So please keep watching for a demo on all these products. So I went ahead and created some nail tips with some black and white gel polish on them. And the gel polishes that I used was the Beetles gel polish. The white one is $3.25. And then the black one is $3.44. And then I want to show you a closer look of the stamping plates without the blue film, so you can get a better idea of what they look like. This one's very pretty. I love this one. The designs are just gorgeous. So this one is manixmeunboxing. And then the other one is manixmeunboxing. And this one's super pretty as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do some swatches. I'm going to head and stamp some of the images to these tips. And I'm going to use the Maniology scraper and their stamper. Okay. So the first color I want to use is Morning Mist. And like that, you could see how it's going to look like on the black and white. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the first plate, and then I'm going to randomly pick an image. I'm going to go ahead and grab this one. So you want to apply the polish, scrape, pick up the image. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and stamp it. I'm going to go down here since it's a smaller image. Ooh. Okay. You could definitely see it on both the black and white. Oh, I like that. So let me see what other color, I'm sorry, let me see what other image I want to use. I want to go with a bigger image. This one looks big. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. I like that. All right, so let me go ahead and stamp that one. And that's how it looks. Get closer so you can see it better. And you can see it on the black. Definitely could see it on the black. That is so pretty. So I'm gonna go with one more. I'm gonna go with the even, you know what, let me see. Let me go with, one of these, one in the middle. I may not get the whole image on the tip, nail tip, but let's see what we could do. Go ahead and scrape, pick up the image. That's what it looks like. It's so pretty. And then I'll put it at the top. See how it comes out. Oh yeah, that's what it looks like. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and use the next color and the next plate. So the next one is going to be Fairy Tale. And I'm gonna go ahead, let me see. I'm gonna grab one of the smaller images so I can put on the nail tip. Oh, it's such a pretty color. Let me see, I'm gonna go with this one. Scrape, pick up image. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, then I'm gonna go to grab the wrong one. I'm gonna go ahead and put that there. Oh yeah, you could also see it on the black. That is so nice. So I'm going to go ahead and grab another image. Let's see. Let's grab one of these really big ones. I'm going to go with this one. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Right. There you go. That is so nice. Looks beautiful on the white, because you could definitely see it on the black. Oh, I really like this month's box. All right, so those were the demos of the stamping polishes and the plates. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know how I did and what other videos you would like me to create. Thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.